man. So here's the Fox body hood. We got it all lined up, centered. We got the template on there now. So we're gonna get this thing cut out. We're gonna get it out, everything out what we need to get. And we're gonna get this thing test fit. And man, we're gonna knock this thing out and rip it in, man. So y'all can see it. See what's going on. We working on the 4th of July. This is my chill day, but we're gonna get this thing knocked out real quick. So let's get it, man. All right, man, so we finally got this thing cut. We got it all cut out. So we'll go ahead and get this thing out of here, and then we're gonna test fit the grill. See what it look like, man. All right. All right, man, we got the thing out, man. Fiberglass hood. All right, let's set this grate. Man. All right, man, quick little test fit. We got the vent installed, and I see a few little imperfections that I want to repair, so this thing can be flush and it can come up. So as y'all can see, man, we got an extra lip here. Let me get a little focus on that. Right there, okay. So we got a little extra lip in there, and basically I want to cut that first layer out. I'm going to cut that first layer out there, and I'm going to cut the front layer out here where you see it's got like a split right there. Cut that first layer out on the bottom, and then that's going to bring everything upward so that we can get this thing riveted in, man. So, and once I get that all taken out, I will be painting it. I'm gonna paint everything to make it look good, a nice black, to give it that contrast for the vents. And man, y'all see it. And we're gonna get this thing riveted in. And so once it's all done, I'm gonna let y'all see this thing, what it's looking like, man. And man, we're gonna be done. And we're gonna get this thing to the customer. So we finally got the dang on hood done for the Fox body, man. So now let's check this thing out, man, so y'all can see what's going on with this thing and see what it look like. All right, so we got the vent installed, riveted in, man. And as y'all can see, this is what it looked like installed. Track spec Motorsports induction hood. So yeah, it looks real good, man. So we got it installed, we got it all ready. I went ahead and cleaned it up a little bit, buffed it a little bit, just a slight bit, get out a little scuffs that was already in and out, and clean the thing up, man. And now we can get this thing to the customer, man. All right. Oh, and I forgot, there will be a part 2 to this. I am painting the hood. You hear me?